Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to create a Shopify subscription box. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, you can simply head over to the search bar and search in here for subscriber or subscription and head over to your app store. Now here I recommend the most is you have, like, for example, you can say like loop subscription. So this is going to be offering you subscription buttons. So let's just dive through that. You can see we have this subscription, keep subscription, and activate your subscription type of buttons easily available. So these integrations are really powerful tool to make your store robust and full of features. So do use these. A lot of guys are trying to make it manually. That's really hard, and yeah, I hope this is going to be something that you're looking for, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.